toes. He looked up there. Don't hit him. Look at him run. I get it. It's okay, honey.
Tell me seriously, get the cork.
All right, seriously, though, get the corkboard. He's not there anymore. Go ahead. Get it. Stop it. Stop, we're going to pee. Get it out. You please stop it here. Let him run across the yard again. It was hysterical. Oh, God. That was... Get it, run, Connor. Come on, he's reloading. Hurry. Hurry. Stop. I can't see him in this thing. I don't think this thing can see him.
I'm going to let him go. Tell him, man. Be like he's out of air.
He's out of air. Go ahead, go. I know, I'm sorry. He told me to say it.
What did he say?
What? All right. All right. Go get it.
Yeah, go. Go, seriously.
Daddy said to get it. Take the gun out of the window for a minute. Just back up like you're not there anymore. Go ahead. It's all right. Let him get it. Let him get it.
Check the board.
I can't see him. I hope this thing picks it up. I can't see him.
You could see him running across the yard like a rat.
God, that was hysterical.
As soon as he comes back, all right, tell me.
All right, come on in, honey. That was so funny. Run. Go, go.
Oh, God.
Yeah.